The floodwaters rush through familiar streets, sweeping everything in sight. The locals can only watch from afar, utterly powerless against the furious force of nature. In an instant, the raging mudslide sweeps everything in its path, a warning from nature that cannot be ignored. Fear spreads as everything becomes insignificant in the face of nature's overwhelming power. A terrifying moment as rocks and debris suddenly tumble down from the mountain slope, the danger hanging over those nearby, sending a chilling reminder of nature's unpredictability. The bridge breaks in half before the eyes of the crowd, a painful reminder of the fragility of man-made structures when faced with the limitless power of nature. Huge groups of seals gather on the beach, symbolizing the resilient vitality of nature, a perfect contrast to the natural disasters ravaging the area. A horrifying moment as the roof of a building is torn away by the tornado, a demonstration of the unstoppable destructive power of nature. A colossal snow avalanche tumbling down from the mountaintop, both majestic and terrifying, sweeping everything in its way, a sight too beautiful, yet too horrifying. the electric charge in the air, an unmistakable sign that a violent storm is rapidly approaching. The hailstorm rages like the fury of the heavens, smashing windshields and shattering everything in its path, showcasing the terrifying strength nature can unleash. A cargo train completely frozen in a thick layer of ice, a stark reminder of the devastating power of harsh weather that humans can never control.